Start. Hello.
Hello ji.
Hello. Myself, Chetan Pagwar, Asian Pesapola Federation and the Indian Pesapola Federation. Behalf, I am visiting in today's 27th May 2025 for a demonstration of the Pesapola game. You can see here the demonstrator of the playing the some Bhutan players, and one is Yugen is one of the founder of the Bhutan Pesapola Federation. He is the he is the establishment of Pesapola Federation is here. So I welcome to Yugen sir. He joined for our Pesapola family. I just sir introduce yourself to the.
Right. My name is Ugen Singh, and I have been introduced to this game of Pesapolo by the Indian Federation of Pesapolo, and I am now officially, I won't say officially, but the founding member of Pesapolo in Bhutan.
Thank you. Okay. So what about you feel about the Pesapola is the Bhutan for here? What do you feel?
Pesapolo is a relatively very new game because we have not heard or played this game for quite some time. Pre-COVID, we, in assistance with the Indian Pesapolo Federation, we did try out a demonstration camp, but then COVID came in and we had to halt everything. But now post-COVID, they are back again with their support to introduce Pesapolo in Bhutan. So it's a new game. We are trying to learn. We'll be learning, and then hopefully we'll enjoy this game.
So you are the next is October. I think so is October last month. We plan out for the championship is here, and India, Nepal, Bangladesh, some Asian countries also ready for participating. So what about you feel about this championship with your team for the participate in the championship is the Asian coming Pesapola championship.
Right, as suggested by the Indian Pesapola Federation, we will be holding a championship in Bhutan, where the teams from the regional area will visit Bhutan. This is going to be a big boost to the Bhutanese team because we are new to this game, and we'll be learning a lot from the foreign players who are coming here about the game Pesapolo. And with the assistance of the Indian Pesapola Federation and Asian Pesapola Federation, we will hope that we will learn this game, pick up this game quickly, and be ready for the competition.
Okay. So how you get this Pesapola equipment for playing here?
Right now, very thankful to the Indian Pesapola Federation, the President, Mr. Chetan, for assisting us and giving us the basic requirements for the game, equipment as well as training.
So now what about your think about the future in the Pesapola is the Bhutan?
First and foremost, I think it is very important for the Pesapola sport to succeed in Bhutan. We need a lot of assistance from the Finnish Pesapola Federation, the International Federation, the Asian Federation, and the Indian Federation. With their support, we will definitely be ready for the competition in October. And then, of course, I've heard that there's a
World Federation, the World Championship coming the next year is Australia. Yeah. So what about your opinion about this championship? Are you participate?
So with the blessings and support from the Indian, the Asian, and the Finnish Pesapola Federation, we will definitely work hard and try to get our teams to perform, not only compete, not only participate, but to compete at the highest level in the World Cup.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.